Salut! Salute! Hi guys! Today we are continuing our journey to visit a special and very unique museum. Come and join us! Hi! So we are here in Hamizgaga Museum in I forgot where are we? Nachsholim. So today guys, we have our guide Mr. Danny Walter to tour us around, and I guess it's a very nice site to visit when you are coming from when you're going to the north. So add it on your itinerary. See the gardens, they're so beautiful and so peaceful over here.
No tengo este disco.
Salut! Salute! Cheers!
Volevo che questo sta rimane qua. Vabbè, quello alla fine. Se tu invece di mantequilla.
Hello! Come on guys, it's time to explore the museum!
The best museum in Israel. So happy you guys came here to enjoy that. I see you already checking out our mosaic floor. Wow. It's gorgeous. It's of very high quality. You don't need to be an expert archaeologist to realize that someone who's an expert made this artwork. What you see here is only a small segment of one room in one house. Artist was Italian. We don't know for sure, but yes. So maybe you can tell me. I haven't been, but I plan to go. The museum in Naples. Baron Rothschild initiated, sponsored it. The idea was, I gotta say, in 1891, you know who ruled Israel? The first era where Jewish immigrants who are unhappy living in Europe decide to fulfill the wishes of the Holy Bible and to immigrate to Israel. The highest academy for arts in Israel. By Neta Lavdan. She got this exhibition still life. The last 2 years of her degree were completed under the cloud of Corona, which is, she felt very, very depressing to be a student in Corona times, which is why she decided her graduation project is going to be very happy, very pink, very positive, very peppy, mainly because of its location. Outside your rooms, in shallow waters, buried under the sand, this is where they found all these exhibitions. Wow! The southern end of the bay. Not even very deep, very shallow. In the 80s, they found this canon first. It's Turkish. It's a Turkish canon. You can see the emblem of the Turkish Empire, and it weighs about half a ton. It's made out of bronze. This one was found a few months after its Spanish mortar. Both of them belong to Napoleon's army, and they had to rest from the sea voyage, so they had these lovely forts set up along the shore. We had one on the beach. It collapsed even before the official digging began, so we just managed to save some pottery and items from the Crusaders' fort. It was a French fort. Do you have French people here?
Yes.
There you go.
There's so much to see around in this museum, and you can spend even a full day just to see them all. Hamizgaga Museum is a hidden gem with a fascinating collection of nautical and regional archaeological finds. The exhibits are housed in a former glass factory in the heart of Kibbutz Nahsholim. Most of the museum exhibits were discovered just a short walk away at the Tel-Dor archaeological mound and in the seabed just offshore. The museum building is an attraction in itself, and most of the architecture has been restored and preserved. The exhibits include artifacts discovered at the Tel-Dor archaeological mound just 500 meters from the museum. Over the course of 3,000 years, Tel-Dor was settled by Canaanites, Israelites, Phoenicians, Assyrians, Persians, Greeks, and Romans. See the treasure from these diverse cultures that used this stretch of coast as a gateway to the Middle East. Also on display are archaeological remnants from ancient shipwrecks offshore. Thousands of years ago, this stretch of coast had busy shipping routes with the Roman port of Caesarea just a few kilometers south. The nearby coast has seen many vessels crushed and torn apart, leaving treasures on the rocky seabed. Besides archaeological artifacts, the museum displays local glass artwork. During school vacations and national holidays, the museum provides family activities and glass blowing demonstrations. Hi! So we are done touring the beautiful museum of Mizgaga, and it was really amazing. If you like history, archaeology, so you need to go on that museum. And you will learn a lot. You need to spend a lot of hours there, and it's really worth it, guys. We are on our way to the Yat El Carmel. And who are the people living on this area? Did you have any idea? Yes, the Jewish people. Are you ready to meet them? So guys, see you again in my next vlog. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, don't forget to share this video with everyone. Bye!